Nonsense mutation. Nonsense mutation is such a mutation that if there is a change in the DNA sequence, as a result of that change, the codon is converted into the stop codon. This kind of mutation usually produces less amount of the protein, which is non-functional or abnormal activity. Sometimes this kind of the protein which is produced as a result of nonsense mutation also works, because if there is a mutation at the end of the DNA sequence, and the proteins which are produced usually at the end of the proteins, they are not very much important, while in most of the cases nonsense mutation produces a protein which is non-functional. In this sequence, we see that this is the normal sequence and this is mutated sequence. In normal sequence, as a result of transcription and translation, the amino acids which are produced are proline, glutamic acid, cysteine and glycine. While there is a change in the sequence of the DNA, instead of this G, we see that it is replaced by T. So at DNA level, there is a change. Nucleotide guanine is replaced by nucleotide thymine. So as a result of this change, the codon is converted into a stop codon. So UGA is a stop codon. So protein will be produced from the beginning, that will be proline, glutamic acid, but when it reaches here, there is a stop codon. Due to the presence of a stop codon, there would be the termination of the synthesis of the protein. So at this stage, the synthesis of the protein stops. So such a mutation by which the synthesis of the production of the polypeptides or synthesis of the protein is stopped, that type of the mutation is called as nonsense mutation. This is a second example of nonsense mutation. In this case, we can see that in the original DNA sequence, there was A and T, that was thymine pairs with adenine, that was in the DNA sequence, and this is messenger RNA sequence. These are the codons. As a result of mutation, this TA was replaced by AT. So due to this replacement, that was from TA to AT, so the production of the protein stops, because this conversion from the normal DNA sequence is into the mutated DNA sequence. So mutated DNA sequence converts into a stop codon. When we see, if there was a normal DNA sequence, there was production of the amino acid as methionine, proline, threonine, arginine. But due to the change at this point, there was production of the amino acid or protein methionine, proline, but due to this change, the codon was converted into stop codon. So UAA is actually stop codon, and when there is a stop codon, the synthesis of the polypeptide stops. So nonsense mutation is such a mutation in which there is a change at the DNA level, and due to that change, the normal codon is converted into a stop codon. So due to the presence of a stop codon, there is a termination for the synthesis of the protein, means the protein synthesis blocks or stops. So nonsense mutation is such a mutation that if there is a change in the DNA sequence, due to the change in DNA sequence, the normal codon is converted into the stop codon. Due to that stop codon, the synthesis of the protein stops. Such kind of mutation is called as nonsense mutation.